It was only a few short weeks ago that Harmony announced 2-second finality, bringing even faster transactions to the chain. Way back when finality was 8 seconds, I had an idea of doing a series where we tried to see what you could possibly do in that time, the time you'd wait for a transaction to finalize. And it turned out you could actually do quite a lot in 8 seconds. But now finality is 2 seconds, and that's a lot less time. So what could you get done while waiting for that pesky transaction to complete? Well, a bunch of you rose to the challenge of trying to find out and sent in videos to try and win 1 tokens. And now, yes, we're gonna watch some of them.
Sheriff, he's over here.
The first one is from Siva Koti Reddy, and the video is 39 seconds long, which is a little worrying. The challenge was 2 seconds. But let's have a look. Okay, it says, my kid wants to take up the Harmony 22 seconds challenge. I hear nothing. He's building something. He's building something, and the video is sped up. I'm not sure you've quite got... What am I watching here? I'm not sure you've quite understood what the challenge was here, my friend. He's still building blocks, took 20 plus seconds, and Harmony built blockchain with 2 seconds finality. Oh, there's a message. Harmony is officially faster than a child. Although the child is rocking some pretty awesome bling. Got to give him credit for that.
Gold!
Well, he's still building. He's done! Flavor! I like the gesture at the end. It's got a big future in hip-hop. What do we got next? We've got the guy from nowhere. And already, I can see that he's drinking something. What is he drinking? Well, let's have a look. I failed at celebrating Harmony 2 seconds finality. I failed at drinking 3 shots of tequila in 2 seconds. Harmony is faster than me. I have no idea what just happened. What was that?
He's gallivanting, he's shouting. Oh, Mumu, too much.
Okay, well, 3 shots of tequila in 2 seconds, that's a recipe for some serious body evacuation, otherwise known as vomiting. Next, Fandi. Fandi Youssef. Okay, he says 10 times push-up challenge in 2 seconds. The disturbing thing about this, he appears not to be wearing a shirt. Okay, Fandi, let's have a look. What have you got for us? Ooh, naughty. Oh, look at that, he's putting skin. I don't know why. I know it's your arm. Oh, he's acting. He's selling it. And he sped it up. And he fell, yes.
2,000 years later.
And now he has a wrestling. So in 2,000 years, Harmony will be the effective equivalent of a staged fighting show. Interesting idea. And now we have UCAN7788. I don't know what language this is, but I'm gonna have a guess that it's Turkish.
You're wrong.
Buka tutup botol tetrapat tuma. Oh no, it might be Indonesian. Okay. Well, what's he doing here? Wow! Let's see that again. It's a 1 second video of someone taking the top of a bottle and putting it down again. This is something that would normally take 2 seconds, is it? And he's done it in 1 second. Well, I mean, yeah. Top marks for going around the lines of the... I mean, I don't know what that is. And he's got bare feet. That is just weird. But I love it. I think my job is safe. See you on the next one.